everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make yourself appear on a stadium fan cam using AI in just a few minutes. So have you ever seen those viral videos where the stadium camera suddenly zooms in on a random fan in the crowd? Well, now you can create that effect with your own photo using AI. First, just open PixVerse. You can use either the websites or the mobile app, whichever is more convenient for you. And if you haven't logged in yet, just sign into your account and don't worry too much about credits because PixVerse will give free daily credit. On here you can get until 60 daily credits on here, and you can also get the daily rewards from here by completing the class on here. And okay, once you're on the home page like this, just tap the template sections like this, and then in here PixVerse will provide many ready-made templates, so you don't need to create everything from scratch. And then next, just go to the sport zone category, this one, and then next just search for the stand cam capture, this one, and then after that just tap on it and then just tap on use template, and then in here just upload your photo. For example, I want to choose this one, and then next just simply tap on generate on here or create. It will take 55 credits. Just tap on it and then just wait for the process. Just go back and then go to mine and then wait for the process on here until your video finishes. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's just take a look. Like this, you can see it. When it's finished, we'll see the results. Your photo will transform into a realistic stadium fan cam moment like this, just like you were actually sitting in the crowd while the camera spotlight you on the big screen like that. Is so incredible. And okay, that's it. The whole process is incredibly simply and only takes a few taps. You can save the video to your device and share it on your TikTok, Instagram, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, or any other social media platforms. And honestly, the final results look surprisingly realistic, especially when you use a high quality photo like this. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.